kami ng sushi sa Costco. I forgot about this. Wala, ba't niyo ako sinusundan? You a stalker or something? This one, we just got it done, but papalitan din namin to. Kakagawa lang nito nung Wednesday. Mahal. Pati yung popcorn. Ang mahal-mahal dito. Lahat $45. Mas maganda pang i-download mo na lang. Hello everyone, my name is Shannon and I'm currently based here in California. But for today, I think I mentioned that ipapakita ko sa inyo yung gazebo ko. Basically yung gazebo namin dito, para siyang kubo sa Philippines. So papakita ko sa inyo. So napagawa namin to last year, pero hindi masyado namin siya nagamit ng summer kasi sobrang init nga. But it's still not done yet. So we keep upgrading it and see how will it paano siya magpa-function better for us. But here is the front. Pakita ko lang sa inyo. Alright, so this is the gazebo that I was talking about on my last vlog. So I'm just gonna show you guys how it looks like inside. So we got it built last year, around March or April, something like that. Come on guys, come on cameraman, come on. So this is the barn door. It's still not done yet. And then we put kulambo. Naglagay kami ng kulambo dito. What do you call this in English?
Mosquito.
A mosquito net. Alright, come on in. So let me just turn on the lights so we can turn on the lights from here. And even yung electric fan din dito. Tapos nag-iiba-iba yung kulay dito. But yeah, so this is our couch / my bed. So we got this from Wayfair. Is it Wayfair or Amazon? Yeah, and then this is a TV right here. It's also TV, it's covered. I'm not gonna take it off kasi madaming, it's just a lot of work to do. And then, ito yung table namin. We got this from Wayfair. So, dito kami nagko-Korean barbecue. Yung mga nakikita nyo sa live ng mama ko. Dito yun. And, I forgot how much is it. But, yeah. And then, ito bago lang to. Yung parang Cleopatra na chair. Bago lang din yan. Ito, nabili ko lang sa Temu. And then, yeah, naglagay kami ng screen din dito. Yeah, and then, this one, we just got it done. But, papalitan din namin to. Kakagawa lang nito nung Wednesday. Yung mga alak-alak lang dyan. Naka-display lang yan. Di naman kami umiinom dito. We don't drink. But if you guys wanna come in here, you guys can drink this. And then, this is a TV. Ito yung TV na mas malaki. So, this is where we watch, the mga YouTube, mga Netflix, all that kind of stuff. So, we've been here, kapag gabi, dito kami natutulog. Kahit hindi ko naman, not my choice, but we sleep here, okay? Someone likes to hear the crickets. I don't know why. And then, so what you're gonna do if you go to YouTube? Oh! It's already there, right? What you're gonna do is look for my channel. That's my channel, right? If you have big ass TV here, you better watch this. This is like the latest one that I have. See? Who's that pretty girl over there? Ba? That's me. So this is where we watch TV. This is a bigger one than that one. Mas malaki to. Yeah. So subscribe to my channel, okay? And then, yeah, we just got some stuff here. And then, what do you call this?
Game worn jersey.
Yeah, so that's jersey.
Game worn.
Game worn jersey. So we just someone that I know that's holding the camera did that by himself. He thinks he's a celebrity, so I'm not gonna mention his name yet. But yeah, here's another one. It's a game worn jersey. Ricky Henderson. Yeah. But yeah, so you're probably wondering how much is this, right? So oh yeah, the floor. So this is the flooring. Yeah, we built everything from the scratch basically, right? Because before it doesn't look like this. It's hindi siya nagagamit. So, pinarenovate namin. Kay Joe, yung handyman namin, siya lahat yung gumawa niyan. Ito, kakagawa lang nito. Yeah, kakagawa lang yan. Yung sa taas. Yeah. And then, yeah. Let me pause this. But anyway, yeah, so you're probably wondering how much is this. So, everything here, alam ko, maliit lang. Yun yung magkano? Wala nyo. Yeah, 10,000. Di ba akong mahal? Oh, actually, never mind. 11,000. Sorry, nagkamali pa ako. 11,000, lahat-lahat yan. Ang liit lang yan. Di ba para sa atin, parang, ano na yan, parang lupa na. But yeah, I just want to show you guys this. Our kubo. Our mini kubo. Or aka gazebo. What? Ito yung sa side niya. Yeah, we got it all done. Yung sa roofing din. Siyempre, hindi ko naman nabot yung roofing. Alangan naman, pakita ko pa yung roofing, diba? Tingnan nyo. Pati yung mga electric stuff dyan. Yan. Pinagawa talaga namin yan lahat. Kaya sobrang mahal lang nagastos namin. Tapos ang liit lang. Yeah, that's the outside. So for today, mamaya, manonood kami ng movie. We're gonna watch Lilo and Stitch. I've been wanting to watch it. Usually, bumibili na kami ng ticket ahead of time. Tapos punta na lang kami doon. Papakita lang namin yung parang QR code ata. Tawag doon. And then, yun. Tapos lang ng popcorn. Pero kakain muna ako bago kami pumunta doon. Alam niyo ba, mga 7 o'clock na dito. Pero, see? It's really bright pa. Sobrang liwanag pa. Asa na to? My baby. Gusto na niyang pumasok sa loob. You know, Lannister don't like being outside. He is so spoiled. He's an inside dog, huh? You're an inside dog, huh, Lannister? Tara na. Pasok na tayo. Tara na. So, usually dyan kami nanonood. That's our family room. And then, that's Lannister again. Following mommy. So, kakain muna ako. Kasi nagluto ng adobong pusit yung nanay ko. Kasi hindi naman ako mabubusog sa popcorn. Oh! Actually, bumili pala kami ng sushi sa Costco. Oh, let me show you. Yan, nakabili kami ng sushi sa Costco. I forgot about this. Alright, initin ko lang to, real quick. Wala, ano ko sinusundan? US stalkers? Ba't ko sumusunod? Ito na ang pusitar. By my mamay.
NANI?!
Ayan, kain po muna tayo. Meron tayong malamig na Coke, yung sushi, at saka yung ininit kong adobong pusit. Let's taste the sushi. Alam niyo ba, dati hindi ako kumakain ng sushi. Pero nagtrabaho ako din sa Japanese restaurant. Tapos may 70% discount kami. And sobrang sarap. Tapos pinagdadalhan ko pa yung mga kapatid ko nun ng sushi, and then they started eating sushi too. Ang sarap. Dapat nga nung nag-Taiwan kami, pupunta ako dun sa may, yun yung parang conveyor belt sushi. Pero, nung pumunta kami dun sa buffet, na sobrang ganda talaga, sobrang sarap. Parang sabi ko, baka ma-disappoint na ako, so hindi na ako pumunta. But, yeah, usually yung Costco ngayon, it's more like an Asian market. Like, they have a lot of Asian stuff now. So, they're trying to like, be all-inclusive, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, let me finish my food, and Lannister down here is trying to, nagbabaka sakali pa rin siya na mabibigyan siya ng pagkain. No, you're not, Baba. You're gonna eat later, okay? Alright, tapusin ko lang to. Okay? Kain muna ako. Paalis na kami, papunta na kami sa movie. Papunta na kami sa movie. Sobrang lapit na ito sa bahay namin, sa may mall shop. It's like 7 minutes away on a good day, but they're building the road. So, ginagawa yung daan namin. So, apparently, they decided na gawin yung road namin ng Monday to Friday ng 9 to 9 p.m. What the hell is that? But anyway, stop with the rant. So we're watching Lilo and Stitch, yung live action nila. Alam mo, nakalimutan ko na yung buong movie ng ng cartoons, but let's see if it's good. And I'll let you guys know. We are here. So it's located sa loob ng mall. Pero iba yung dito. Nakabili na kami ng ticket. Ang mahal na pala ng dito ng movie. $32 na sa dalawang person. So parang mga $16 a piece. Dati nung pagdating ko dito, parang $9-10 lang. Pati yung popcorn. Ang mahal-mahal dito. Lahat $45. Mas maganda pang i-download mo na lang. Where's Karate Kid? There's a new Karate Kid. Ano lang yung itsura dito ng mga movies. Parang sa atin din. Yeah, the movie's cool. I like it. I don't know about my movie partner here. She likes it. Yeah, so now I'm gonna go home to my own Stitch at home. He looks like Lannister. Stitch look like Lanny. Nakauwi lang namin, parang 10:35 na ata. Sure, nakauwi kami mga 10:25. So, nanood kami ng Lilo and Stitch. Sobrang ganda ng movie. I liked it. Personally, I liked it. But, it's subjective naman kung gusto niyo yung movie or not. Pero, mas gusto ko siya kaysa sa Moana. Personally, I like it more than the Moana 2. Tapos, alam nyo, but the whole time I was watching it, it reminds me of Lannister. Like, Stitch looked just like Lanny. It's so crazy. Ang cute. Sobrang cute. Tapos, alam niyo ba, ang mahal na ng dito, ng movie. Sa Philippines ba magkano na yung movie? Alam mo kami sa Philippines, yung popcorn nila. Kasi dito sa Amerika, yung popcorn, lang, parang butter lang, yung flavor. Sa atin mas madami, di ba? But, anyway, yeah, maikli lang tong video na to. Sobrang ikli lang talaga. Wala lang, pinakita ko lang yung kapag nanood kami movie, ganun. Actually, mas okay pa nga yung i-download mo na lang ngayon, ibilhin mo na lang. Kasi, I think I mentioned earlier, parang lahat parang $45. Pero kapag, binili mo sa hinintay mo lang, tapos binili mo sa Prime or sa Hulu, I guess, it's like only $20. Tapos permanent na yun. Diba? Parang, mas okay na talaga yung digital na, tapos sa bahay mo na lang panoorin. But, maganda pa rin naman yung movie for the experience, diba? Tapos yung, yung theater namin dito, recline. Tapos pwede ka rin umorder ng drinks, maganon. But anyway, yeah, I just reminded me of Lannister, and here's Lannister right here. You're gonna say bye to the guys. Tingnan mo siya. Tingnan nyo siya, guys. Ito siya. Nakita na siya sa baba. Ayaw niya magpakita. And then, yeah, this is my own Stitch. Yeah, so apparently yung mic ko, nag-stop siya nag-work. Parang nasabog na yung boses kasi nga natakpan ni Lannister. So I'm so sorry. But I'm basically just telling him how much he looks like Stitch because, we just watch it. Tapos buong movie talaga siya lang yung naaalala ko. Tapos ginagawa niya yung, alam mo yun, yung parang piglet siya, yung boses niya. And then anyway, if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you for watching us. And see you again soon for the next video.